Hello student. In previous lecture we are discussing about the demultiplexer. Now we will take another example after discussion of the demultiplexer. Now we will see how to implement this through the combination logic circuit. So implementation of full subtractor using 1 to 8 demultiplexer. So this is nothing but your truth table of full subtractor. Truth table of full subtractor. It contains the three inputs A, B, B in, output D, B out. Okay. So we know that how we can construct this table. Still I will explain in one line. Suppose we consider this line. So 0 minus 1, in that time difference is 1, borrow is 1. We can mark here difference is 1, borrow 1. That difference 1 minus 0, again difference is 1, borrow out 0. Like this one you can construct the full subtractor table. Now you can observe how in the column of the difference how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones are there. This is 1. In that time what is the binary equivalent? 0 0 1 1. Then here 0 1 0 means 2, right? Then 1 0 0 means 4 and triple 1 means 7. Okay, same way for B out 1 2 3 4 ones are there. In that time what is the binary equivalent of 0 0 1 means 1, this is 2 and 3, 1 2 3 and 7, 1 2 3 and 7. See the from the table full subtractor output D. Difference for ones are 1 2 4 7 and for the borrow it is 1 2 3 7, right? Now our next aim to draw the logic diagram. So how to draw the logic diagram? It's very simple. Now for difference pin number 1 2 4 7 and 1 2 3 7. See now plot 1 mux demux. Okay, plot 1 demux 1:8, 1 input 8 output lines y02 y7. Okay, for 8 output we require the 3 select line h0 s1 s2. Okay, a c b a. Okay, if you write here h0 still it is okay and you can mark here a b c, again it is valid. Where you define your lsb, according to that we can set abc value, right? Here a is your msb, b c, like this one. Okay, because in the function we write a is here. If you write a is here means in that case it is lsb. Now here a we can mark right side means it is msb. Okay, now see the for the d where you connect 1 2 4 7, right? So see 1, then this one is 2, right? Then this one is 4 and last one line it is connected to 7. See this one is 7, right? So 1 2 4 7. Similarly we can connect for the B out also. Same way we can connect for the B out. B out for 1 2 3 7. See the 1 2 3 7, 7, this is nothing but 3, this is nothing but your 1 and this is nothing but your 2. Okay, we can take the connection from this side or directly we can connect, again it is okay. So in this way we can implement the full subtractor using the demultiplexer. Okay, in one line demultiplexer is nothing but having the one input and many output lines. This one of the input will be routed to one of the output lines. It will be decided by select input. It will be decided by the select input. Okay, now moving to the next part is we are nothing but demultiplexer trees. Now to provide large output needs we can cascade 2 or more demultiplexer to get demultiplexer with more number of output lines. Such a connection known as demultiplexer needs. I will explain again. Suppose we are having the 1:4 demultiplexer, 1:4 demultiplexer, and we want to design 1:8. So what we have to do? We can implement the 1:4, 1:4. Okay, if the 1:4 and 1:4 we can combine the output means 8 output will be occur. We require the one input, here is the 2 input. So we have to follow the one techniques, and using that one we can convert that 4 out of 4 to the single input and one output lines. Okay, means suppose you want to design the 1 as to 16 and we are having the 1 as to 8. So 1 as to 8, 1 as to 8, 1 as to 8 we can use, and we can build up the 1 as to 16. Suppose we are having the 1 as to 4 demultiplexer and we want to design the 1 as to 16. So what we have to do, we have to use the 4 demultiplexer output is combined, and that 4 for 4 another 1 demultiplexer we can require. So like this one, you can cascading the demultiplexer, we can build up higher range of your what are the demultiplexer required. Okay, to provide larger output we require the cascading of 2 or more demultiplexer to get demultiplexers with more number of output line. Such is nothing but you can such a connection is known as demultiplexer trees. Now see, these are the design of 1s to 8 demultiplexer using two 1s to 4 demultiplexer. See, these are the 1s to 4 demultiplexer 1, and this is 1s to 4 demultiplexer 2. What I am doing, these are the select lines of the first, this is select line of second. I have joined the both select lines and combinedly I have extract that input line. Then data in of first and second is connected together, means single input is available now. Okay, as per our requirement is what, one input. How we can make, these are the two will join together and one convert into the one. These are the four and these are the four. So these are the first four output and continuation with the y4, y5, y6, y7. These are the relabel. Actually here inside is the what are the labels we are defined. It will be called as y4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now these are the enable pin, this is your enable pin. In between these two enable pin, what we are doing, we are inserting the inverter. Once you insert the inverter in between the enable input, what will be happen now? See, these two inverter, one time only one of the demultiplexer will active. One time only one of the demultiplexer will active. And we can call it A, B, C. Now see what will be happen. If this one is 0, if it is 0, then due to this inverter it is what, 1, means it will be enable. This 0 means here we connected, means this one is will disable, right? So it is 0, we consider again it is 0 and again 0. So all 0 means 0, 0, 0. What will happen? This 0 due to this one is 1, means it is enable. Now data in will be routed, this both 0 and 0 and 0. If both 0, in that case it will be set this line. So what is the data in will be routed to the y0. We consider any case. Suppose here I will consider 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. So it is 1 means it is 0. So it is disable. Right? Now it is 1. So it is enable. Okay. It is 0, 1. 0 and 1. 0, 1 means 1. So from this one, this line will be there. So it is nothing but your Wi-Fi. This is nothing but your Wi-Fi. So what is the data in will be routed to the Wi-Fi line. Wi-Fi line. So means according to the just these are the very key point or important point of designing the demultiplexer trees. Whenever you implement such type of gates, means inverter, one time only one of the demultiplexer will active. Okay, so using this 2s2 using two 1s to 4 demultiplexer. Now next one is your application of demultiplexer. So a demultiplexer is used to connect a single source to multiple destination. Demultiplexer are mainly used in the field of communication system. Demultiplexer is used to connect single source to multiple destination. Obvious, one line and number of output line. So one source to multiple output line. And demultiplexer are used for reconstruction of parallel data and ALU, arithmetic logic unit circuit. Arithmetic logic unit circuit. So a demultiplexer is exact opposite function or exact working opposite function of the multiplexer, because in multiplexer is having the many input to one output, and in demultiplexer one input and many output lines. Hope so we understood the demultiplexer, their function, how to construct the demultiplexer trees, how to design the combinational logic circuit using the demultiplexer. Thank you.